Hi everyone! Today we're making pretzel dogs. This recipe will make 16 but can easily be halved. First we'll start with the dough. You'll need 1.5 cups of warm water. The temp should be 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 4.5 cups of flour, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Add the yeast to the water and let it sit for 5 minutes to let it activate. If your yeast doesn't look like this, your water was either too hot or too cold, or you're using old yeast. In that case, don't proceed because the dough won't rise. Now I'm adding everything to one bowl. You can use a mixer, but today I'm doing it by hand to show you how easy it is without one. I like mixing it with a spoon first, then I go in with my hands. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it's soft and smooth. Put your dough into a greased bowl and cover. Let it sit for 1 hour or until doubled in size in a warm place. I like putting mine in the oven with just the oven light on. Once doubled, flip the dough onto a working surface. It's time to divide the dough. I started with 8 pieces and rolled each piece into a long strip. Then I cut that strip in half. Wrap each wiener with the dough and push down the ends or tuck them under so they don't unravel. Next step is what gives it the pretzel flavor. I'm mixing 2/3 cups of baking soda into 10 cups of water. Heat it up and let it simmer. Put in a couple at a time and leave for 30 seconds. You don't want it in the solution for too long as it'll get too much baking soda flavor, and no one wants that. As you can see, I only made 11 because that's all the wieners I had, so I used the leftover dough to make bing. Yummy! Mix 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water for an egg wash and brush each one. What you top yours with is up to you, and there's so many options. I used an everything but bagel seasoning, which was so good on these. It has salt, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, garlic, and onion. There's something called pretzel salt, which is ideal for this because it doesn't dissolve. Parmesan would also be delicious. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. They brown quite fast because of the baking soda solution, so just keep an eye on them. Brush with melted butter for extra flavor and shine. And here they are. This dough is extremely fluffy and soft. I'm totally obsessed. I can never eat just one. Give them a try and you'll see what I mean. Trust me. Enjoy!